President Akufo-Addo anu emobo. We mobo ye. Sa fight we. If he doesn't clean his own house. If President Akufo-Addo doesn't clean his own house. Ye. Come people from painful be di akire pa. Eye galamse. Me fight ya me say me boy President Akufo-Addo. Me say si from team because me come pain people from painful. No mu ya galamse. Say me nam ho nyina na me ho yo mo hia na. Omo hu bi da. Na obi bisa say adentina omo shi machine also omo shi no. You know why? Omo kofa akwa away from Central Region e friend say. Ekwawusi ejiji nkofo machines anu wakoton mi wo receipt ametimi di akire chema buteni adu sam die nyina woji ye so omuzu na asebo ya ma kema huzu omuzu ya galamse wu ya ozu na me di current obua wonim pefese na nipa no di kwa galamse chema buteni ya woji adu say dia ami o proof mi wo receipt ekwawusi ji wo musika
ekwa de ndia
woji wo musika woji sika no as we were releasing machines no wo fine
o machine bi anam de koya dem
o mu timi crosso o mu ko ton machines ni bi o Cote d'Ivoire munya mo hye no aya sa dia mo fa dipa na de ma no ba obi si na wo de come assembly why na MC is ni bebi do mo ye bi o ya mebu bo bebre aden na mo si yanka President Akufo-Addo, I am telling you, if you don't shake your own people, wajuman enye ye da, because they were the very people who were deeply involved in sabotaging. I'm telling you. NDC for no, womusu ye ni say pidum. Anti politicians no, e shechire, antina, and kolano so, ye nyama with impunity. This one, me makao. Obi aso obeye fi e wo MPP bia amini midindin baba obi pa one challenge me because omu sabotage papa no papa me wa videos e wo Katrina Feku constituency sabotage ebi muzu ye asoja for ni police for that time no me police ya twitwa wo mukana me wori nyina wa Operation Vanguard bobo
Operation Vanguard
enti Ghana from ye nyina we are naturally born bad and then my friend Ajin Semna Mokasa like he said asofufu nyina minimum asofu bi o ka kira me say onu de onyi sika enya ibia asori ni maniska nemo machines e won mines he told me osini sika wo ye ready eyidi chiche ni enyina otutu ni nsa nyina on the mining equipment on mining equipment which type of mining equipment small grade see omri ye galamse so we are all part of the problem because microbe sienchemu ekire obedi Mijina Hokrana omu nimsa mini MP of the area. And they open up and told me, say, me honu u free sa village na u cross ya anwa du chufi praso nti prano da ho kese. Na machine sisu bo. Na mko jina nti menene kasa no. Na me nyonku ye fa kwaku che no su e record. Asamwa boys ni ka chem say. Bibi sa na nti mu ye de na mu nya ha be. O say ohine no wo krom ho no. Omu mari 2,000 cities anyway gan bako anenti omu say ensuo sa mesre politicians NDC MPP obia tisi mu bi enunti na enkwalaso tumi ye nneema with impunity because me share election time when this ni bi okogina prisi aside ho a o ka kiro so omo ba omba mu omotu
da bi bebre asante region bia
na mu fi say enkomo ba ya ko mba hwa mu omotu
na so mo anu omotu dada
they say little minds said they wanted to get their votes omu wi adan ko mba kire wo anyu omo anom kwaji wuntumi machines ko shi
Enkra na eye or proper handsome money.
What you say?
Or one a concession.
Enti mestre President Akufo-Addo. Ufia hono. Clean the hopper first. And son what's your bunting ako clean because omu na di anim. Bizro omu. Obi abaka fi bia so amini mebondin. Because me support Akufo-Addo sa Galam say sana me na egu abontin. MPP for no ye deep in it. I'm telling you, Miss Rome. Who expect this? Who remember the kind this idiot? Abraham nim say who to pay for who ye be. NDC MPP. And now you can't fight Galamsey.
And now we overcome it. Because
yeah.
You saw the society, you see what?
They say, Omadi Yako will see back, me catch room. Hey, Hedia Musio Nam Kofa Bazay. And Namson will be Riamu be a DNT. They allow Ekwawusi to go there. Only my Lusu mining areas in Ekwawusi. Okoje first in an Sika, so a man assassin. Nana don't continue to do no more campus. Nimisphere no this can buy mammy come out first in an else. Me this can man grab me 10,000 kudim.
I know Kutiane Kabak.
Nine. I told Assassin, also the my Mrs. Rollins, meaning say true and not saying it true. But on no lie, all year for Stina Nelson say, Assassin, Mrs. Rollins, no demand, a whole lot of things. And was here young to a young from Sigama. A was in Yami Fie, and I this can buy. Yami Fie and I this can. Now, bought a sa chairman who made a dinner, not Bonetti, Swadro chairman. Honest can Bonetti, or bad to say, have a satin, or BM to say, me or Fabia Frank or Jogofi, or Kokum or Chima, or this Shabotom or Chum say, not Danechi. Say, be my friend, by his can go vie. Bonio Mudi, me were a lot of recordings. We are on a party who could you be machine no cotton. Would you be machine at the MPP? No better Abama. I don't know to I know. Samu Pesamu Tia, Mu MPP for no Amudi and Nimono. Musumunyai, Nan this for Yai, Nan Colano su and Yai. And yes, I be media this time, the Ameco. You call me and co positions. Whoopia, we are executive. We are Galamsey. Me Mabusumi, one Yai, me boarding, Messa by your campaign, me and Farmer because Ukawuna, you lose you. Vote
mining area.
Mining areas. Because me and call from who you are, he papa. Kwakusiji wear my machine. What do you come MPP anyway? What you wear there? What do you call? I don't call no fee. Just a bassa problems. I will be a becana so much. And the President Akufo-Addo, media me go. So what's so bad here? Galamsey no betuasia dia. Start from MPP forum.
And I just saw Kokobo Bodino Treno.
Nah, or frame a mabu bopa. As I make us almost two sabi government a mabu bomu di every time. Because Papa no deal ye na. And yan this for the sabotage. President Akufo-Addo me catch on the pay. So MPP for the sabotage. And pay MPP pay for gurus. Gurus pa. If you want to fight, it is not the soldiers. Clean your house. So what jelly executives from Yanubia from national, regional, constituency, pulling agents. What jelly money I was Papa in a MPP for crown no jelly. And this phone will sit up. Other guys no. With impunity.